Hey guys, welcome back to the Double D Automotive YouTube channel. You wouldn't believe it. So here I am at work, right? Going, what am I going to do? Every morning I get up, try to find repairable cars to do for you guys, right? And then I'm like, I need a cherry pie, I need a good one. I need a good one to make a really good video. And I can do a series on building it and show you guys. And I went, I love doing it. I just can't find anything because all these certain people around the country are buying them for top dollar, chopping them up and sending them to Dubai and stuff. I don't know what's going on there, guys. It's just, I love the blokes on Ingham Road, mate. They're great blokes, but stop buying all the cars and send them overseas, alright? Fuck, right? The problem I've got right now, I need a car to do up over a couple of months and make some content because the repairable ones are dried up, guys. I'm not making any more repairable videos at the moment because I've got nothing. There's nothing. They're paying, the cars we're buying for like $1,500 completely write off, and you got to spend thousands of dollars and barely break even. Now they're going for like $4 or 5 grand, and they're sending them overseas. So I love drifting. Now I'm like, I need a better drift car than my old Falcon, right? And I'm like, well, I've got this, my old Hyundai XL twin turbo V6 Buick. Well, call it Buick if you want, whatever. Let's go bring it down, eh? Let's just, don't worry about this hoist. She might be dangerous, but woof, gets me going every time, this hoist. Look at her coming down. Look how fast it comes down. If I'm going to hit something like a well, scares me, eh? This thing dropped the other day. Spring's gone, guys. The bloody spring's gone on this bad boy, so it just started dropping. Oh my god, it's so deadly. Alright, as you can see, it's got a lot of stuff. Like, we got race. We got the seats in there. It's full cage. My old boy did a really good job. Steering wheel. It's got, like, this is done 17 years ago, right? When we had no money, right? We did this on a budget. Look, the wheel bearing's gone. But check this out, guys. This is what we're talking about here. Twin turbo, V6. As you can see, it needs a lot of work again. Like, this is complete. We're entering burnout comps. And then we were like, oh, let's make it better. So we know how to make it a better intake to make it look better. These originally used to be at the bonnet. And everybody's like, don't put them at the bonnet. That's weird. Blah, blah. Mate, I wanted the big ones at the bonnet, right? And everybody's like, don't do it. It's stupid. Blah, blah, blah. Now, they're all doing it. But this thing, so we're talking. Obviously, it's got a lot of rubbish in it. Like, it's got a tank. It's all tubbed. So this thing's tubbed, it's got a cage, it's rear wheel drive instead of front wheel drive, of course. It ain't no 2 litre, it's a 3.8 litre twin turbo. It had 2 WRX turbos on it. I don't know, are you guys interested in this? Should I do this up and take it drifting? I drift car because it's short wheelbase and it's probably going to break down every 10 minutes, but I think we should. Like, first we can do is get it running. Work out, should we put an LS in it? I've got an LS running gear there. So the problem is, this is where the pickle is. I've already owned this, right? I own this, we've done this, it's cool, but it's not cool. Some people call it crap, it is crap, it's not crap, whatever. I really wanted to buy a Toyota 86 and pull the running gear, the LS running gear, out of the Speedway car and put it in there. Or buy a Kia Stinger. So I've got to pick one of those three. I'm thinking this one now. The Kia Stinger would be mint, but to find one at the moment, I'm struggling. So guys, let me know in the comments, like, subscribe, follow. If you're into this, let me know, because I reckon I just do it and who cares what you guys think, Every breath's a gamble, life's one long scuffle.